What's going on, Duke Boy Nation? We're in Duke Boy's garage. Your boy Nick Max here. We got Ty here. If you watched in the last video, probably like 2 videos ago, Ty kind of created a Bluetooth A-arm here. I don't know if I can't really pick it up, but I'll put a picture of it in there. I got a picture of it. But yeah, we got some parts. We went to Energy POWERSPORTS today and got some parts for it. We don't have everything, like we don't have the A-arms or a few other things, but we're gonna put on what we got. So I'll go over what he kind of trashed here. Oh. So he broke this part right here from the top of the rad relocate. What did they call this thing? He broke this thing right here. It's cracked.
Flux capacitor.
Yeah, the flux capacitor is cracked, and then the doohickey thing right here, right here. That's Bluetooth. So we got a replacement for that, and then this back rack, she gone. And I'm gonna steal this plate from my. See if I can like.
Donation to Duke Boy POWERSPORTS.
Oh.
What?
You might want to come look at the box.
Oh no, that's not good.
R.I.P. box.
Yeah, but that's not good.
No, that box is
toast.
Oh man, that's fuckered.
I'm getting a new one, so
like. Well, nothing broke inside the box. This is still here? Yeah. Oh, God damn it.
Yeah.
All right, let's get wrenching. Ty, tell him what happened. You went and got an x-ray.
Let's just say I'm on some pretty heavy medication, and I'm on, and it's for my ribs. I fractured the 9th rib. And just say I'm hoping it heals sooner than later, because at my tender age of 104.
104?
But you know what? The experience, I just wish it was my last ride and not the very first one of the weekend.
Yeah, that kind of sucked.
Yeah, the timing was impeccable.
Oh, yeah.
But hey, could have been worse. It could have been a lot worse.
It could have been
so,
a lot worse.
It was on flat ground. I was on a rail trail. I'd rather have been that than on a real fucking... Oh, sorry, my bad.
See, Ty's not even drinking beer tonight. He's drinking freaking ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
So you know he's not right. I'm drinking beer. But yeah, I probably got a wrench on this because he's probably going to be a little sore. So one thing about Canams is they use these torque freaking screws everywhere. So make sure you clean them out as best as you can, because you don't want to strip these things, because then they're a pain in the ass to get out. Look at broken rib, and he's wrenching. Fucking champ.
The heavy medication will take care of anything.
Why are your eyes going cross-eyed?
What's that?
Why are your eyes going cross-eyed? What the fuck is this guy on? There's a power wrench in here. Look at the concentration. He's got the fan blowing on him. Sweat beads are beating down his head like you wouldn't believe. Oh, yeah. Come on, man. Is he gonna lose the nut? Is he gonna lose the nut? Oh, you can probably just leave it in the wrench. Because it's got a...
Oh, it's got a... That's what I did before.
Yeah. I think Ty's high on drugs. Alright, he's got the last one on. Let's see how much damage is underneath this. Not a ting!
That's where she's been. That's right here. Look at the kink in that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, pop.
Oh, it's kinked there with the vent here.
Yeah. Plate itself looks pretty
that took a shit kicking, that's for sure. Ty's got the bracket off here, and he's just cleaning it up right now. Ty's got her all cleaned up. A little bit of damage here, here. Then he bent this bar too here. You can't see it. This tab looks like it might have bent a bit. Let's get a socket and pound it up a bit. So we put this little tab up a little bit, so it'll fit there nicer. That's good, because I was kind of hoping the rib nut wasn't fucked, but the rib nut looked okay.
Okay, so what do I do now, Nick?
Well, here's the old bracket, right?
So
how did it go? It went like, how did it go? Oh, it went like, this was on the broken side, so it went like that. So just recreate that with that. Oh, you had it right the first time.
Oh, there we go, yep. Just like that, right? Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Look, I got a sticker. Got a sticker.
Oh, that's better.
It's a little flatter.
Yeah, a little flatter.
Well, this is gonna be good.
All right. Thank you. It's already looking better, Nick. Yeah, if that fucking fits on there, man, it's all yours, brother.
What's that?
Yeah,
the old plate.
100% it's yours. Donate to Duke Boy POWERSPORTS.
Yeah, maybe I'll get some Lynx accessories. What we're talking about here is the plate. I want to put it on top of this, and there's a box like this that the Lynx comes with, because this thing's crap. You can't even put stuff in it. It's always leaking. It's no bueno. Ty's already tightening stuff up. Easy. Man on a mission. He's trying to fix it faster and he wrecked it. That's his goal for like you shouldn't be laughing at it. Got a broken rib.
That was pretty funny though. I would prefer to see it fixed than just. I actually might leave the end to you just because I don't want to tweak.
Your rib again?
Yeah. Okay, Nick's got the most vital part here because of Tyson's wonky 9th rib. Nick is going to torque this bad boy down, and look at he's doing a great job.
Yeah,
look at the smile. Look at the smile.
Job.
Yeah. Looking good doing it, bud. Yeah, I'm going to put a new box on here right now.
You're going to go in your head with your head down.
Oh,
Energy POWERSPORTS, you're going to be like, yeah, we got taken it apart. The box is broken.
You're happy with that?
I'm happy.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want to put the link system on first?
Yeah.
That's probably easier.
Yep.
A brand new plate.
Trust me, it will not last looking like this more than that's pretty sexy though, eh?
It is nice.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Put her on a chain.
Yeah. There you go. All right, you're getting too silly here. Settle down.
I'm having fun. Oh, that looks so much better though.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, where's my hardware?
So we're taking the link system off here. Put it on the other one.
There she blows.
There she
blows.
Does she blow?
Oh, take it easy. It's a family-oriented channel here.
Well, since when?
Starting now.
Why are we doing things the difficult way? I got a workbench over here, eh? Might not be a clean. Oh my God, squirrel! Did you guys see that?
No.
Squirrel! That was a squirrel moment right there. So Ty got the links taken off the old one. Now he's putting it on the new one. He SC1'd it because it smells like SC1 in here. So we're getting high off the SC1 right now. Look how red my eyes are. That's how much SC1 he used.
Don't do that, please.
I'm gonna get punched in the face. And repeat that 4 times. All the fun part, putting the plate back on. Et voila! 4 bolts, 4 nuts.
Thanks, sir.
Right here, I'll give you 1 at a time. Oh, there's 2.
Oh, put them right here.
I lied. Nuts on. And yeah, that's back rack. Done. Just like that. And just like that, we got a thing on there. Throw the box on there. See if she's on there.
Sweet. That looks a lot better.
Well, of course it does. The bracket's not all bent. Fuck. Captain Obvious.
Captain Obvious.
I can be a dick sometimes.
There we go. Beautiful.
Look at that.
Much better. All right. Next project, bud. Explain to them that this is it's just unacceptable.
Okay, we gotta pay Canam tax sometimes for stupid parts. This bracket right here. This bracket, your
That's
fender
it.
bracket
That's
right
it.
here.
Yep.
This thing,
That's it.
$60. 60 goddamn dollars.
And the hardware, $23 each.
So Ty, what are we doing next?
This unit right here, because you can see this beautiful brake. Right?
What do they
That
call
fucking
this?
white metal.
The
air deflector or something like that.
Air deflector bracket. The air deflector,
not a hand guard
not
or
a hand
fucking
guard or nothing.
knuckle guard or something like that.
Because it's meant to deflect air. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm more worried about it hitting the brake, tree ground, the brake.
Exactly that.
Hey! Yeah. That one was pretty loose.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun. You got a 10 mil wrench here, and I imagine there's a nut. There's a nut on it. Oh yeah. Now you just have to take this torque off. All right, handguard off. Now we just gotta take these bolts out. We'll be back with you after the handguard is done. In 3, 2, 1. There you go, it's done.
Ever fucking cadabra.
Now we're gonna watch Ty try to fucking. Oh, I guess we gotta put the hardware in here first.
Yes.
It's like how you put your bar ends on your street bike, just like that. No, just leave it like that. You just thread it in.
Okay.
Nope, you gotta put it underneath. There you go. And your Torx. Yeah, that one. Screws in there.
This went up underneath, Nick, or this
Well, yeah, the bolt,
like this,
bolt
right?
has to go up underneath. You're not gonna be able to get
But
through.
it went like this down this way, right?
No. It
Or
goes
it came up like this?
Pretty sure it did, didn't it?
Yeah, I got it. How tight is this gotta go? Not too tight, eh?
Well, you gotta adjust it first.
Yeah. Okay, at least I got it started though. Okay. And we got this one started.
Okay, adjust it up where you like it.
Go up a little bit higher.
I'd say like, I don't know, come look. You're the picky one.
That's pretty good right there.
You like that?
Yeah.
Alright, tighten her up. Alright, another job done. Beautiful. So what do you give this job, Ty? Out of 10.
Easier than that exhaust. Right? So
We gave
this
that
was
about a
it wasn't that bad. It wasn't, as far as difficulty, maybe 4.5.
Yeah. Okay, what about the rack?
That was pretty easy too for the most part. Probably another 4.5.
I wasn't doing
No, I wasn't. Just
right.
follow procedure, and
All right.
again, it's just like a domino effect, right? So, and you skip it, you learn, you oh yeah, I gotta tighten that up, and oh, it's already on its side, so I'll just tighten it.
Now, who needs instructions?
Yeah,
We'll just figure it out for
it's
ourselves.
for kids.
Alright, that's gonna be it for this episode. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Peace out, guys. See you on the trails.
Thanks a lot.